Hey, sixth graders. In this video, we are going through a multi-step unit rate problem. This is a word problem, so Jaden earned $60 in 4 hours. He earned $90 last weekend. How many hours did he work? So in order to solve this, I am going to first find the unit rate. And the unit rate is for everyone. For everyone. That's always what we're talking about. So Jaden earns $60 in 4 hours. I'm using my units here. So now let's talk about how much does he actually earn for every 1 hour. So what I did here was I set this up like a fraction. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide the bottom by 4 to get our 1 hour. I'm going to divide the top by 4 because it needs to stay the same. He earns the same every hour. And 60 divided by 4 is 15. So he earns $15 for every 1 hour. Okay. Now the question actually says if he earned $90 last weekend, how many hours did he work? So now we're trying to see, all right, so that's how much he earns every hour. He earned $90 total. So how many hours? Well, what we need to figure out here is what did we have to multiply this by to get 90? And you could either know this or you can skip count 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, and then 90. I count by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have to multiply this by 6. And now that means that because I multiply the top by 6, I multiply the bottom by 6, and I get 6 hours. But we can't just write 6 hours, and if you leave this here, it's not complete. We need to write an answer sentence. It's a question with words in it. We need an answer with words in it. So we're talking about last weekend, so I can say last weekend Jaden worked 6 hours. And there you go. That is your final answer. That's how you would answer this question using a unit rate. Thanks for watching, guys.